Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel! Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Miss Mo. Hey, hi sa lahat ng Pisces. Yes! Magandang araw po para sa inyo po ang love message and love reading na ito. So, gusto ko magpasalamat din sa inyo sa lahat ng Pisces na patuloy na sumusuporta at sumusubaybay sa Mystico Moreno channel. Please continue to support ko by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Okay. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading. At sa mga bagong Pisces na nakasubaybay, sana supportahan nyo rin po ang aking channel by subscribing para mag-grow pa yung channel ko at marami pa akong magawang love reading para sa inyo at para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love reading. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment below. So ang gagawin natin ay ang 8 card spread and alamin natin ano ba yung love message para sa inyo for the second half of May. Ano bang kaganapan ngayon? Yan. So bumunot ang 8 cards from this deck and then 8 cards from the other deck and interpret natin siya as we pull the pairs. Okay? And as I always do in my channel, gusto ko lang i-remind ng lahat that this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Okay? Or take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kung hindi talaga, ayun. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo, so don't force it. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na. Baka isa din ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay? Better yet, book a personal private reading sa akin. Nasa description box naman yung email address ko. Okay yun kasi mas naka-align yun at naka-tune yun sa inyong energy. Okay, sige, let's start. I'll get the 5th card dahil may pa rin ngayon. Okay, so first card. Oops, 5 of Pentacles agad. Ay. There's something in the relationship that's making you feeling sad and at loss. Ano yun, yung medyo detached din kayo sa connection and it's because of something na hindi nyo mapagdesisyonan. There's some sort of like a dilemma or very conflicting issues na hindi nyo magawang desisyonan. Very difficult ng choice. Need ng compromise. Ng matinding pag-compromise. And medyo in denial din kasi kayo to face the reality sa kung ano man yung kaganapan ngayon. Pero alam nyo na it's sad. It's hindi siya sa ikabubuti ninyo. Pero tingnan natin ano ba yun? Ano yung kaganapan kasi sa inyo? Bakit namabas to? Okay. Justice. Okay. So, since natanong ko ano yung parang dahilan, ano yung feeling of loss and sadness, and yung need nyo i-compromise here in the relationship. So, can be one of you, either you or your person, or both of you, you need to compromise and you need to be more responsible and accountable sa mga actions na ginagawa ninyo sa relasyon. Justice card here is a card of accountability, of harmony and balance. Pero parang yun yung lacking sa relationship ninyo, and the sense of gratitude here. So, with the Six of Coins as a card of gratitude, okay, and reciprocity, generosity, parang yun yung kulang sa relasyon ninyo. And parang pareho pa kayong ayaw magbigayan, mag-compromise. Nagrelasyon pa kayo. Magsasarili lang kayo ng lahat ng bagay, di ba? So, yun yung energy at the moment sa connection niyo. So, medyo you both have to talk about it. Okay, and see ano yung kailangan gawin at ano yung mga compromises na kailangan yung gawin. Kasi here, once na mangyari yun, ang nakita ko dito, everything will stabilize with the King of Swords here. And it requires proper and open and honest communication. Here, with the King of Swords here, there should be a sense of maturity when both of you handle or deal with the situation sa connection, sa relationship. And kasi nakikita ko naman din na once na maayos yun, kasi parang hinihintay lang din ni universe kayo na magkasundo dun sa mga feeling kayong i-compromise, or ano yung mga kailangan nyo gawin to meet halfway at magkaroon ng balance sa relasyon. Kasi ayun, hindi balance talaga yung dynamics ninyo. Merong power struggle din, meron masyadong dominant, meron masyadong submissive, and it doesn't help sa growth ng relationship. Lalo na kung ang goal niyo is this energy of Ten of Coins, which is settling down or having a stable and long-lasting relationship. Okay? So you have to be more kailangan magkaroon ng reciprocation talaga sa relationship. More gratitude din sa mga even small things na nare-receive niyo as a couple. And be grateful na nandiyan kayo para sa isa't isa dahil maraming naghanap ng relasyon at hanggang ngayon hindi pa nila nakikita. Okay? Yung tao magmamahal sa kanila or namimit yung tao nagmamahal sa kanila. Alright? Ayan, si Temperance. Ooh. Temperance and the Empress. Okay? So, I can see here din talaga na once nag-shift na yon at ma-resolve tong issue on balance, compromise, reciprocity. Yeah. There will be peace in the relationship, and mas magkakaroon pa ng balance talaga sa both na mapangailangan sa end mo, sa end niya, mapoprovide yung needs mo, mapoprovide yung needs niya. Kasi nga, nag-meet na kayo halfway. Diba? Walang siya lang. Walang bigay, merong bigay ng bigay, tanggap ng tanggap yung isa. Diba? Give and take ang mangyayari. Pero here with the Temperance, once maayos din, it's also the energy of reconciliation, meaning magkakaayos nga kayo. Once na napag-usapan ninyo ng tama, with the King of Swords energy earlier, na kailangan talagang upuan, pag-usapan with the maturity and honesty that are required in the conversation and in the relationship in general din. So, with the Temperance card, there will be, once na nagpa-practice ninyo, kasi the Temperance card is also a card of having peace in a relationship by practicing compromise. Okay? And by practicing this, or alam mo yun, dapat meron kayong nurturing and caring and pampering energy. Kasi pag nandyan yung nurturing love, madali na lang din talaga yung pag-uusap at pag-compromise na kailangan para maging balance and harmonious yung relationship ninyo. Okay? See? Queen of Pentacles, another nurturing energy. Caring energy. And another 10 of Cups. And it's also a card of relationship, happy, ever after. Card of reunion. Okay. And love, actually. So, this, parang sinasabi din ito with the Ten of Cups, which is a card of love and emotional stability, security, maturity here. Coupled with the energy of Queen of Wands na full of that love should be nurturing. Alam mo yun, yung parang pagmamahal ng isang ina na very giving, unconditional. Alam mo yun, parang lahat nung naka-focus kayo dun sa love, dun sa person, and you'll do your best to make parang to take care of this person para mas mag-mature din yung di ba pag yung mother and baby parang inaalagaan mo siya until na kaya na ng person or stable na siya, di ba? So ganun din, parang you support each other, care for each other, and work on achieving this goal, which is long-lasting, happy, ever after kind of relationship, as shown here with the Ten of Cups. Okay. So, okay, Two of Pentacles. That's why you have to choose wisely. And that choice will lead, choosing wisely, choosing the right thing to do, choosing what's best for the relationship will lead to even better status of the connection. The King of Coins showing up here, ayun, sobrang abundant, magiging abundant, magkakaroon talaga ng magiging natural na sa inyo yung give and take sa relasyon. Wala na yung parang, ay, bakit ako lang? Tapos, ay, bakit parang ako lang yung bigay ng bigay? Parang, tapos tanggap lang siya ng tanggap. Pero ngayon, parang, ay, nagbigay siya, magbibigay din ako. Or nakatanggap ako, dapat makatanggap din siya. Ayun, yung magiging, ano na lang siya. Once na you keep practicing nga din that balance, ano na lang siya. Default nyo na siyang ginagawa. Kahit parang hindi nyo na nga pag-iisipan, magiging normal na siya na practice or values ninyo sa relasyon. Okay? Oh, with the Moon card here. Okay. So, yeah, may hesitation pa kasi na nangyayari na medyo confused pa rin talaga kayo. Excuse me. Oops. Excuse me. Ayan. So, yung energy ni Moon kasi here na ang nakita ko dito is there's still some confusion or medyo unclear pa din talaga sa inyo sa isa't isa ano yung mga kailangan yung gawin. Pero here with the Ace of Swords, there will be a good start once na na-establish na rin talaga. Kailangan lang talaga mag-initiate ng conversation. And again, here is a hidden, parang concealed truth of what's happening, but Ace of Swords is parang sinasabi niya na ilabas na yan. Whatever, magpaka-honest na talaga kayo sa mga gusto nyo mangyari. Kung ito hanggang dito yung kaya kong i-compromise, ikaw ano yung kaya mong i-compromise, pag-usapan nyo siya talaga. Kasi it's sa relationship, very important talaga ang open, honest, and alam mo yun, trust sa communication na meron kayo, di ba? Na parang pag nagsabi siya, alam mong totoo yun at nagtitiwala ka na totoo yung sinasabi sa'yo, and same goes to the other person. Okay? Para makita nyo, hindi yung, ay, hindi mo naman sinabi ko, hindi, need mo pala to, need mo pala yan, hindi mo sinabi. Pero di ba kanina sabi ko, magkaroon ng balance with providing each other's needs once na maayos ninyo ito, and mangyayari lang yun sa matinong pag-uusap. Okay? Kasi, yan. You need to really rest, pause, and reflect. Okay? And with the magician showing up here, sinasabi din that everything will fall into place. Whatever you're manifesting, good things that you're manifesting, kaya nyong gawin talaga yun because you have the tools of everything. The magician possess all the qualities of all the suits. Okay? Sword for communication, proper communication, honest communication, and clear thoughts, diba? Non-malicious thoughts. And yan, yung sa swords. Tapos, you also possess then emotions. You can express your emotions properly. Hindi nag-hide ng emotions. Hindi nagkikimkim ng kung ano-anong mga galit, sadness, grudges. And when you're happy, you express it and you really show it. And when it comes to the wants, the energy of wants, the desires, the passion, it's really giving and nakikita sa relationship. And then when it comes to something that the pentacles or coins, you're putting into action what you said, diba? Something na tangible, nakikita. You're very also when it comes to the physicality or the material aspects of the relationship, very okay din siya. So you all have this na you can use to really work on and achieving this happy and long-lasting relationship na ini-aim nyo rin naman talagang dalawa. Okay? Yun. So, kaya nyo yan. I mean, wala naman talagang sobrang negative dito. Actually, positive lang talaga. May mga yung kala nyo, like for example, energy yung 5 na sadness and all. And because nasa choices, lahat tayo may free will. And we all have a chance to choose what's right for us. And yung chance na yun kapag doon na yung chance to really decide and select. Yan, i-take nyo na yung opportunity din to select that path, diba? Or select that door. Kung may mga doors, diba? Yung mga tas nakapili na kayo. Yeah. So that's the chance na mag-iba yung dynamics. Something better. Okay? Pero again, once you act on it, hindi lang siya nasa isip lang na okay, ito yung gusto kong mangyari, pero walang action. Okay? So, yan. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ka pang reading. Use this reading with discernment. Lalo na kung nag-resonate siya sa current situation nyo ngayon with your person. Ayun. So, abangan nyo na lang yung susunod ka pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo, kita kits. Ingat!